Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat, and I'm with Simply Vegas, realtor out here. So today we are going to be exploring this remodeled home. The asking price on here is $595,000. It was built in 2002. This is a two-story that features 3,296 square feet, 5 bedrooms, a loft, and a total of 3 bathrooms. So let's take a look at this property in detail. As you can see, we have a 3-car garage. The fascia boards have been repainted. Looks like the exterior is in pretty good condition too as well. Now I also want to mention that I'm doing this video for a client that's currently in China right now, so a quick shout out. So one of our services that we do provide, we do an in-depth video tour for our clients. So that way you can make a purchase remotely. And a lot of people are buying homes like that nowadays. But again, this is one of the services that we do provide. So it looks like the exterior of the home definitely has been repainted. You have some new fixtures. Let's take a look at this side right here. Okay. Alright, so the homes that you see here are by American West. Ring doorbell. Now let's go inside. Hardware is all brand new. Nice flooring. Let's take a look at the flooring. This is a laminate flooring. The exterior or the interior has been painted, two-tone paint. Looks like you have a 6-inch baseboards here. What you notice that homes that were built in the early 2000s, it's a lot of open space, but it's all sectioned off into different rooms. They did a good job on the stairs here. That 6-inch trim. This would be your formal dining. Now the dining is 15 by 10, so it's a pretty decent size. Come down this way, we're going to head into the kitchen. You got the original cabinets. They have just been painted. The refrigerator, the appliances are included, minus the washer and dryer. Original island. Original countertops. However, the hardware there has been replaced. Here's the condition. Okay. Looks like you have this is a trash compactor. Here we go. Old school. Wow, they added a new sink, which is really nice. I wonder if this is supposed to be an undermounted sink. Let me know in the comments below, guys. I do like that window here. You guys a better feel for it. Here we go. Now we're going to head on outside real quick because we're already here. Give me just a second. The lot size here is 5,663 square feet. The track here definitely needs to be cleaned a little bit. That's why it's a little bit sticky. But a very easy fix. So we got a covered patio Patio has been painted as well. Home is facing north. Your sun exposure is going to come this way. Sit down that way. Alright, not bad. So, looks like this tree here, the roots, pushing up this concrete a little bit, but I don't think that's a big deal. Here's the main drain line, and it looks like they restuccoed this, okay, because this was eventually used at one point. Looks like there was a sink here and a drain line here, and they tapped in from this side. That's what that looks like. Got your water spigot here. You got your gas fireplace. So you got the original 2 air conditioning units. Looks like this was eventually at one point pre-wired for cable. Oh, something's going on over there. And what's interesting here is that you had cables underneath here. Very interesting. Original air conditioning unit. And again, if we take a look here, got the door, then you got a cable outlet here. So that tells me that there was no cable installed during the time of the build. And then DirecTV had to come out here, because look, you got another cable here. Drill a hole, run it all down to your dish. Very interesting. So you have the same scenario here too as well. Let's go back inside where there's some air conditioning. Some extra storage space. See what this thing looks like inside. Quick peek. Okay. Let's go to the main living here. So this is where you're going to spend most of your time. Got your gas fireplace. Looks like this is pre-wired for surround sounds at one point. Now I try to turn on the lights here. I don't know if I can't find a light switch or it's just not working. Now you do have a bedroom down here too as well, which is really nice. Brand new carpets. And the size of this room, pretty decent size. So 12 by 12. 8-foot ceilings. Here's the bathroom here. This will serve 2 purposes. One for the guest, here, 3/4 you can see. And also for the guest. Now you can tell that this looks really nice as far as the black trim here. But what they did was, the original was probably gold or silver. They just painted it over it. It looks like it was actually silver. So eventually what will happen is that will actually peel off. Let's come into the laundry room here. Gas. Dryer. Got your alarm system. What we have here is a walk-in closet. Now this is your plumbing. Okay. What's great about this type of plumbing is that you can literally shut off from the main. So you have the hot, the cold. So let me give you an idea. If you wanted to shut off the master tub, you could shut it off here without shutting the whole supply of the house. But now, all the new homes will have the supply lines shut-off valve at the toilet or tub, shower, wherever it is. Okay. So you got a brand new hot water heater. Very interesting. Your shut-off valve is right there. That water heater was replaced. So obviously it broke at one point. Now let's make our way upstairs. Upstairs here, you have carpet. The banisters have been painted. And whoever laid the floors did a good job here. They did it the right way. So as we come up to the left, we have 2 bedrooms, bathrooms, a den, large loft, and then the master. Let's head over to the master. I'm sorry, the primary, which is 19 by 16. 8 feet ceilings, brand new fan. Definitely sounds like it needs to be balanced. You have 2 closets over there. Now, before I started this video tour, I went into the secondary bathroom, I turned on the lights, and I noticed that the breaker went off. And that's why this is off too as well. Got the old school jacuzzi. Like I said, on this one right here, on the trim, on this one was actually gold, and it was just repainted. Here's the attention to detail. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Here's your walk-in closet. Now there's 2 walk-in closets here. Let's take a look at this from above. Oh, you know, if you got kids, they're going to be walking along here for sure. Here's the loft area. Very large. If you guys want more information about this home, I will have it in the link in the description below too as well. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what your thoughts are about this property. So it looks like we have some surround sounds here too as well. Your main television hookup will all go here. Here's your den. Not bad. This bedroom right here is a pretty decent size. Get the light on my backside here. This one's 12 by 13. Okay. You do have a 3 rocker switch here, so that means you have an option for ceiling fan, light, and also the half hot. Now these 2 rooms are actually the rooms that are in front of the home. Same size. Got your closet space there. here's the bathroom I was talking about that hit the switch and it kind of popped. And sometimes that happens. Now, remember, these right here have been painted. Oh, this cast iron tub, this is original. They painted this and also painted the tile too as well. Brand new toilet. Now, if you are interested in this home, I'm going to have a link in the description below. HOAs, believe it or not, are only $256 a year. Taxes right now is about $29.90. Remember, that could always be adjusted. Other than that, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.